According to closed sources, Apple plans subscription model for iPhones and its other hardware products. Owning Apple products could be a thing of the past. You might not own your iPhone in the future. Apple might implement a subscription model for future hardware products, including iPhones. If a subscription model were applied, customers wouldn't own Apple products, but would pay a monthly fee to use Apple products, like a person paying rent. While still in development, the subscription service could reportedly launch by next year and be bundled into Apple Care and Apple One plans. According to Bloomberg, the plan would allow customers to subscribe to hardware with their Apple ID or App Store account. Program subscribers could also have the option to swap out their devices for the latest model upon release. Apple historically releases new models of its products once a year. Months ago, Apple announced several products at its peak performance event, including a new iPhone SE, a new iPad Air, and the Mac Studio, which has a starting price of $1,999. The Federal Trade Commission announced new rules that prevent companies from limiting customers from repairing products they own, or from having third-party vendors repair products. A subscription model could nullify these rules, as customers wouldn't own the product they use. Later this year, Apple plans on starting a do-it-yourself repair program called SelfService Repair for iPhones, Macs, and other Apple products. Apple said it would publish repair manuals online and offer tools to buy to fix your product yourself. For more updates in the technology world, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so as not to miss out any update from us. If you find this video useful, support us by giving it a thumb up. Thank you for watching.